All right, we're headed out here to the Northlake Nature Center in Mandeville. Never been here before. What do y'all see? Is that a map?
Oh, look at this!
I don't know what that is. Maybe just some kind of weed.
No! Did you see all those holes? Did you see all those holes down there?
Let's go see. What's this?
Oh, look! There's another bridge! Oh, look at weeds right there.
It wraps around?
Yeah. Let's see what's on it. Oh, look.
All right, y'all look at this tree. Somebody cut a tree and put it right here. And it's to teach you, you see these rings? You see each one of these circles?
Yeah.
Each one of those is a year. So you can find out how old this tree is. So it starts right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I'd say this tree is probably at least 100 years old. How many rings do you think are on there?
100.
This says Clubhouse Trail. Where does this lead to?
Oh, let's go see. It's Mickey Mouse. You look at Clubhouse. And keep slipping. Right up here. We're all turning into glass. Yeah, too. Oh, look at them! Are those thistles? Oh, yeah. Let's put down in that water. What's in that water?
The trails intertwine all throughout here. I didn't realize how many different loops there are. I was just looking at a map, but it goes on and on. What's really good about this is it's mostly shaded and it's pretty easy walking. So we are, I think, on the Eagle Loop right now. All right, let's have a quick lunch. Zane, how is it?
Good.
Is it good?
What? A grape.
Somebody ate grapes right here, didn't they?
Yeah.
It's a grasshopper. Look at him.
What is that? Katie did. Oh! Look, he's right there. Hi, Katie did.
It's called a grasshopper. It's actually not a katydid.
His was. Take this back. Yeah, I think this is a cover.
You think that's it?
Yeah, it's a treehouse. Look.
Oh, that's pretty cool. You found it.
Wow. That's what I was trying to tell us about.
Good job, boys. Y'all found it. I didn't know if we were going to be able to find it, but y'all did. Look at this. They've got benches out here, so you could bring a bunch of people out here. See all those benches?
Yeah.
Pretty neat, huh?
Oh, what? Look down. There's some flamingos. Are those lily pads?
called duckweed.
Okay, I'm gonna try. I got some.
Yeah, it's called duckweed.
Wait, why are they furry? Then would you like some? Cool. Oh, what does that say? Oh, let's take this path.
You want to take that way? Let's see what this is right here first.
Oh, it looks like.
All right, let's see what we see. I think a lot of turtles down here.
Let's see if I could get one. Okay, this will grab one.
You see all those turtles? Look at them.
Let's try to get one. Oh, here's one.
Here, Zane.
How do we get one?
Crumble up a chip and throw it to him. Crumble it up.
Now we gotta wait. Okay, that's a good idea. Okay, I got a good bait. Dad, could you put a chip on?
Look at all these turtles.
Could you put a chip on here?
Nah, I don't have a way to put a chip on that stick. Wow, that's a lot of turtles out there. Those are red ear turtles.
This one here.
Look at the side of their head. You'll see some red.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. I'd stay away from him.
Yeah.
Zane, be careful. We got a gator right here. He's a pretty good sized one.
I'm going to drop that. I'll get a glass stick here.
Is that a big salamander? Okay. Ooh, yeah, he's big.
Yeah.